Ever since the Wright brothers first took flight in 1903, people have been trying to invent the next best type of plane. And there are some pretty wild designs out there. Join me for today's video as we take a look at 15 incredible concept planes. Number 15. Airbus Maverick. Kicking off this list is an amazing future plane design from the folks at Airbus. They've brought us plenty of quality aircraft to date, many of which we've all flown in. So it should make sense to see that they've thrown their name into the hat with their Maverick plane. Short for Airbus Model Aircraft for Validation and Experimentation of Robust Innovative Controls, the Maverick looks like it can cut right through the wind, foregoing turbulence altogether. But the new Airbus's design is pretty tough to miss because the entire aircraft basically looks like one big giant wing and a missing fuselage. The Maverick is a pretty big risk for the company because we all know that humans are creatures of habit and hate deviating from many of the designs that we're used to. And if tickets for the Maverick went on sale tomorrow, chances are for every person waiting in line to buy one, 2 more would steer clear. But on the flip side, the blended wing design is meant to cut down drastically on fuel consumption and carbon emissions, which is always a good thing. Instead of resting beneath the wings, the Maverick's 2 engines have been attached right to the rear stabilizer at the top of the aircraft, which will also allow for a smoother airflow over the plane. The Maverick design was revealed in 2020 at the Singapore Air Show, but will probably need a lot more time in the lab before we see one of these flying overhead. Time in the lab before we see one of these flying overhead.